Thank you for tuning in for another installment of the I Love the High Level program, where today we're going to talk about the personal guarantor program as part of our Age Shelf Corporation program and how you can make passive income. This program is brought to you by Rios Business Advisors and Rios Business Funding. Now, I'm going to give you an overview if this is your first time tuning into the program. The I Love the High Level program was designed to help both established businesses and startup businesses get access to both cash and credit without the burden and challenges of taking on debt. And we know that debt can be a tool that can be used effectively to helping you to be able to accomplish many great empires and wealth generation, but in the wrong context, it also can be used to hurt and cripple innovation and send businesses into early retirements or bankruptcies. And so we've designed a program with two tangible outcomes. The first one giving you access to business credit lines or loans that can stabilize business operations and make business investments. The second one being cash for your business, because now that we've gotten you off the roller coaster where business is going good and you have income coming in, business is going bad, and you're struggling to get by, and now you've been able to stabilize, we need to pay off the debt. And we want to do it in a certain way, and there's only one way to do it, and that's called non-recourse, meaning that we have no repayment or collections at a later date, and we can deploy these revenues to help your business be able to grow in mighty ways. And so to do so, the I Love the High Level roadmap helps you can get access anywhere to $100,000 all the way up to $100 million in funding. We've even been able to help clients get more than that. But it's a flexible roadmap, and where we customize the steps and the order based upon what is most ideal for each client so we can help them be able to achieve their goals. And so we do this in a series of what we call four-phase roadmap. The initial phase getting funding, the second part's being able to help get you a non-recourse cash and cash return program, in the Age Shelf Corporation funding program, repeating said programs, and then deploying assets. And we do that over a course of multiple months, sometimes up to half a year, or less or more, depending on how we customize the roadmap for you. But today we're going to talk about the Age Shelf Corporation program's personal guarantor program, where you can make money. And so working with Lender B, who ends up providing this Age Shelf Corporation program, clients will purchase an Age Shelf Corporation for $500,000. But they receive a personal guarantor. Now, that personal guarantor is pledging their credit for the access of this Age Corporation to get up to $500,000 in business credit. But it can be lucrative because as they do this with a smart business plan on how they plan on repaying the funds and combining with our programs like the Cash on Cash investment program, you always can be assured they have a way to pay it. And so when it comes to a personal guarantor, you need to have these type of requirements for us to be able to make sure that we can help use you as a personal guarantor. A 700 plus credit score, being a U.S. citizen, you need to have at least 3 revolving credit limits with over $5,000, and at least no more than 20 and 30% of your total credit limit used. You should have an auto loan and a mortgage on your report. It can either be open or closed, but you can't have any bankruptcies, new, old, or pending, no state or federal tax liens, no collection accounts, no public records, no unsettled lawsuits of any kind, no late payments on your profile at all, no more than 6 inquiries in the last 6 months, and your credit age should be at least 5 years of age. 10 years or more is preferred and better, but it doesn't require you to have any employment, but ideally you should have some type of work, business, professional experience. And if you have any questions about the program, schedule a Q&A call with us. You can scan this QR code for you to learn more. But this program is lucrative for you because once a client is able to get access to funding, yes, they pay Rios Business Advisors, they pay the funding broker, but you as a personal guarantor, you could make up to $50,000. And that $50,000 comes to you as a one-time payment. And you could do this once a year and be able to generate an extra $50K per year, or even if the client decides to go for even more funding than $500,000, you get more money. 10% of that is going to come back to you. And so we make it easier for people that want to start the program. If you want to become a personal guarantor, you just let us know by reaching out to us and say, hey, I want to be a personal guarantor. Schedule a one-on-one Q&A call. We can gladly answer any questions that you have about the program, but also help you to get started and being paired with the ideal company that we work with. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. I look forward to talking with you soon.